Okay, first thing is you got 2 set screws. You want to oppose 90 degrees from the keyway. There's no key. Okay, this one's going. There we go. Then you just put it all the way on. Tighten the little set screws. This set screws they dimple the shaft good enough. Okay, and that's that guy. There you go. And now we put this on, and we always orient it. That's when the motor's on the foot, this is up. Can go this way, can go this way, can go this way, all depending on their plumbing. You got to be careful. You never want to put fingers down there. That magnet will smash your fingers. And always use those flat washers. These are plastic. You only need to make them tight enough to hold the lock washer so the screw don't back out. And one more. Okay, so now we're just going to set it down on the foot. This guy goes on. This is your mate. Goes this way. And just loosely on there for now so the customer can do whatever they need to do. Same here. That screws in there. And the customer will seal this, do whatever they need to do. And there you have both your connections, and that's that. Ready to go. All done.